Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I am back with another video and today I am having so much fun with this digital kit from Sassy Southern NC Girl here on YouTube, and I just have to share another altered index card. Um, I've done well, on Thursday I altered an index card for Deck the Year. And I'm loving index cards because they're so much fun to create. So this is a 3x5 index card, and I like to leave the lines so I could put this in a journal or give this in Happy Mail, um, which I'm loving this little setup here. Um, I don't know. I love it. So I laid down some papers. This is like part of the paper that I cut these teeny tiny pockets from, and I just covered the background, and then I used more of the other paper. It just coordinates so well. Jen, you did a great job on this digital kit. I'm loving it. I can do so much. I can layer it. It all coordinates together. These pieces are from another digital kit that I have. I don't remember what digital kit this came from, but I added some pieces from that. Um, And then what do you call that? Okay, so this piece of paper, look, I've used a majority of it, and this piece was from this area here, okay? And I laid it down, and it's seamlessly. This is from a different sheet. This is from a different sheet, but everything just kind of coordinates. This part was the bottom of this paper, and I just thought, oh, that looks like a pocket. So I made it into a pocket, a corner pocket. This is one of her ephemera sheets, and it says made with love, and I inked the edges. I added some lace. And that is my pocket here. That's so cute. And then I laid more lace, same lace from up here. I think this is Dollar Tree lace. I just wanted a little bit of lace to show um, on the bottom of this card. And then I fussy cut this little girl, and I added her right there. And isn't that the sweetest? Oh my gosh, I just love it. Everything about this paper line or this digital kit is simply adorable. You can do so much with them. Um, I may print it out again so I can make a journal and then add these elements to my journal. I don't know. I have to figure that out. But yeah, go and I'll have her channel down below. So go check out Jen over at Sassy Southern NC Girl. And yeah, and call it a day. I'm calling it a day. So thanks everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.